This illustration deals with GFCI protection for personnel in accordance with NEC 210.8E as in Ed. Let's look at the call out right above the AC unit sitting there. The call out is receptacle outlets within 25 foot of AC unit type equipment and heating equipment at 120 volt, 15 or 20 amp, 210.63, so it has to be within a receptacle provided, and 210.8E talks about the GFCI protection for personnel, but notice this receptacle by this unit has to be within 25 foot. Thirdly, it has to be GFCI protected in accordance with 210.63, 210.8E, and 210.8F. We would need to look at all three of those to get a good feel for that. And then looking at the call out now to this unit here, it's called Fixed Electric Space Heating Equipment. That's your title head. And we're looking at 210.63 NA, and it says for service equipment, see 210.63B is in boy 1, where we're referenced over to it. And then notice the equipment requiring service is any of that equipment 210.8E that would be required to have GFCI protection. So I just kind of like to remind you then with the call out right next to the unit, and that call out is for GFCI protection for specific appliances. See 210.8D as in dog, and see 422.5A as in apple of the NEC, and that kind of summarizes this particular requirement so that we could understand this new subsection and what all it covers.